Hello everyone. Currently we are discussing about the missing value imputation in machine learning dataset or missing value treatment or handling a missing value. Till now we have discussed removal or deletion of missing value, where we have discussed, if we have this dataset. Okay, this is column 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 columns. And in this column we have some missing value. These are the missing value in this data set. So what we used to do, we delete this complete rows. That is comes under the removal or deletion of the missing value. After that we have discussed imputation of the missing value with statistical methods like mean, median and mode. What we used to perform under this imputation missing value using the statistical method? This is your data set and there are some columns. This is your missing value. In these 3 columns we have missing value. So what we used to do, we take mean or median of this column C1, and whatever the mean and median we get, we use that value to impute this missing value. This is your categorical column. So we use mode of this column, and whatever the value we get, we impute this missing value with the help of this value. And after that we have discussed prediction model. In this prediction model, what we used to perform, this is your data set and there are some missing value in this data set. So first we predict these missing value with the help of prediction model. Once we have the predicted output, these output is corresponding to your missing value. So we impute this missing value using these output. Now today we are going to discuss about the sklearn impute module. sklearn impute module, which has 3 classes: simple imputer, iterative imputer and knn imputer. So first we are going to discuss about this, then we will discuss iterative, then we will discuss knn imputer. So let's start our Jupyter notebook and try to use simple imputer, how it perform to impute the missing value. Here you can see that we normally have univariate and multivariate imputation in the real world data set. Univariate means once we impute the missing value one by one. It means we take first column and impute that column, and multivariate means more than 2 or more than 2. That we take 2 column and impute all the missing value on these 2 column. So univariate imputation we perform by using the simple imputer, and if we want to impute the multivariate imputation, it means 2 or more than 2 variables, then we use iterative imputation. So let's start. So here I am going to import some libraries which I am gonna use to perform the simple imputer. So here I am going to print the version of the imported libraries. This I will explain you in couple of seconds. Here I am going to import our data set which I created manually. Now let me describe this simple imputer. How does it work by using this data set? First let me explain theoretically how does it work. We want to impute this column and this column and this column and this column. So this is your numerical column, this is your numerical column, this also is numerical column, and this is your categorical column. So by using the simple imputer, we impute the missing value one by one. First we take the column 1 and impute, and then we impute in other column, then we impute in other column. So it means in a single go we can take all these 3 columns and we can impute the missing value. What point to be noted here, we cannot impute this column with the help of C2. It means all the column imputation will be happen individually. So it means how we will impute? There are some strategy we use. We use some strategy for numerical column. We use mean and median. For categorical column, we use most frequent and constant. So if we want to impute this column, so what we will do? We will use simple imputer and will use strategy mean. It means whatever the mean of this column, that mean value will be imputed here. And same for categorical column, whatever the most frequent value we have in this column, that value will be imputed here. Or if we want to impute any constant value or static value, then we can use the constant strategy. Let's do by some hands-on. Now I am going to take mean of these two columns. Why I am going to do? Because we want to use this value to verify whether our simple imputer is working fine or not. This is just for the verification. So these are the mean value or the average value. So let's verify whether these are the value will be imputed by this simple imputer or not. So what I am going to use? I am going to first initialize our simple imputer and strategy is mean. Now I am going to fit our which column? I am going to fit our column daytime 3 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3 to 4. It means 3 will be only count. So we will impute date time. Then after that, what I am going to do? I am going to transform. After imputation, we transform which data? This particular column. Till here, what it will do? It will calculate the mean, and after that, that mean value will be transformed over this column. So let me display here. You can see that 28.11 has been imputed here. Same value we are getting here. Now in the second column, what I am going to use? I am going to use the, if you see here, first we fit then transform. We have another method that can do in a single go. Fit and transform both in a single go. Let me do it, then again run it. It will impute same mean value here. It means you can use either method. Now what I am going to use? I am going to use two column imputation in a single go, but both column will be imputed individually. How does it work? Same, just we have to mention the column index 3 to 5, 3, 4. It means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 and 4 both column will be included here. You can see both missing value have been imputed. 99.44 you can see. Now we will impute this product quality. It means categorical variable. How we can impute these categorical column values? So let me first create one data frame. You can see here there are the two columns, both are the categorical. If we want to impute this NaN value or the missing value, then we will use the most frequent strategy. What it will do? It will check what is the most frequent value in this column. So we can see A is a most frequent and BY is a most frequent. So NaN value will be replaced by A and this NaN value will be replaced by BY. So let me run this. You can see A, it means this missing value has been replaced with A and this has been replaced with BY. Now I am again going to import our data set. So what I am going to do? I am going to impute these categorical values. First we initialize this simple imputer, then we will fit and transform in a one go. You can see A has been replaced with missing value. Now what I am going to do? I am again going to import. Now I am going to use the constant strategy where we will use G value to replace the missing value. You can see this missing value has been replaced with G. Now again I am going to import the Titanic data set. There are the 3 missing value we have. It means 3 column have a missing value. So how we can replace? So first I am going to impute the age column missing value. So what we can do, we can take the average or the mean of the average of this age column, and whatever the value we will get, that will be replaced with nan value. So same we are going to impute and transform age, and here how we initialize, we use mean strategy. Now we can see age has been imputed. Now same embarked is your categorical. So here I am going to use the most frequent strategy. You can see this also has been replaced. So this way we can use the simple imputer to impute the missing value. This is very straightforward. I think you will not get any issue. If you have any question or query, you can mention in the comment box. That's it from my side for today. I hope you will like this video. If you will like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.